Oh, Tarzan French de bare bones. Useful French for adults before your next holiday. Or as you Americans like to say, vacation. Bonjour, moi c'est CecileBB, Cecile besrest-butler. I'm a bilingual teacher. Je suis bilingue. I have 2 tongues. I'm here to help you get your French from bof to ouf. You're going to learn the bare bones Tarzan French here. Firstly, if you're too busy or too lazy, I'll teach you just four powerful pronunciation tips so you can actually pronounce what you look up on your translation app or in your French phrasebook. Then, if you fancy learning a bit of French to get your French ball rolling, we'll get into a bit of the basic holiday survival stuff in a relaxed and informal way, step by little step. I use loads of pictures and daft associations to make the French more memorable and the learning more fun. D'accord, c'est parti, let's start.